Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Gafanti, and this is my lovely wife, Maureen. Together, we created Rocket Phonics. Many preschoolers have been using our program.
The purpose of this video is to show you how to introduce the 36 sounds of English to preschoolers in a fun, active way. If your preschoolers are having trouble learning the sounds, use this video and your Rocket Phonics play and read cards. Just lead the kids in the actions. You'll be amazed at how much this active method helps them learn the sounds.
If you have any questions, just contact us at drphonics@rocketphonics.com. We'll leave the email and the website links below for your convenience.
A as in apple. The letter A can suggest an apple. Make the apple with your cup in your right hand and your left hand makes the stem. A. N as in nest. The letter N can suggest an upside down nest. So cup your two hands to make a nest. N as in fish. The letter F, if we use our imaginations, can suggest a fish. So let's be that fish. Make your fins and flap them and say as in mom. The letter M can suggest a child and a mom leaning together, their two heads touching. E as in egg. The letter E can suggest an egg with a big crack in it. So, pretend to hold an egg in your hand. Tap it. Crack. Look at the letter E. There's your egg with the crack. E as in egg. L as in lion. The letter L looks like a lion leaping up. Stand straight up. Put your hands in front of you. L as in lion. H as in horse. The letter H looks like a long-necked horse with no head. Hold the reins and say huh. I as in itch. The letter I looks like a man with an itch on his head. The dot is his head. So put your hand up and scratch that itch. I. K as in kangaroo. The letter K looks like a tall-backed kangaroo. His arms facing straight out and leg kicking. K. B as in bee. The letter B can suggest a bumblebee with his stinger straight up. B as in bee. S as in sun. The letter S can suggest a sun with its rays shooting out. So, put one arm up and out and the other arm down and out. S as in sun. T as in tiger. The letter T can suggest a tiger and that crossbar, his paws. So let's be that tiger. He's ready to jump. He wants to roar, but what comes out? T. D as in dog. The letter D looks like a friendly dog, his tail straight up. So let's make that dog. And wag that tail. D. Ah as in otter. The letter O can suggest the head of an otter peeping up over the water. So make that otter. Ah as in otter. G as in gift. Do you like to get gifts? The letter G can suggest someone getting the gift of a ball. G as in gift. J as in jet. The letter J can suggest a jet with it flying straight up with its tail sticking out. So let's be that jet. J as in jet. As in rat. The letter R can suggest a rat. So let's be that rat. Put your hands up for the paws. He's sniffing. And he says, Z as in zebra. The letter Z can suggest the stripes on the side of a zebra. Make those stripes like this. Z. W as in wolf. Have you ever seen a picture of a wolf with his big straight ears? The letter W can suggest a wolf, so let's be that wolf. Head straight up, and the wolf tries to howl, but what comes out? Wah, wah. A as in ape. The letters AY could suggest an ape holding an apple. So, look like an ape and hold an apple in your hand, ready to bite. A as in ape. V as in van. The letter V can suggest the center of a van's steering wheel. So, put your hands up and steer that van. V. Y as in yak. The letter Y can suggest the face of a yak with his long beard. Y as in yak. P as in pig. The letter P can suggest a pig with his nose kind of pushed in. So let's be that pig. Curve your arm, push your finger on your nose, and say P. As in duck. The letter U can look a little bit like the body of a duck swimming in the water. So let's be that duck. As in duck. Sh as in ship. The letters SH can suggest the smokestack of a ship. The ship's horn is loud. Say shh. Sh as in ship. Ch as in chip. The letter CH can suggest chips in a bowl. So let's make those chips and try one. Is it salty? Say ch. Th as in thimble. The letters TH can suggest two fingers, one with a thimble on it. So hold up your index and your middle finger and say th. Th as in thimble. E as in eagle. The letters EA can suggest the eyes of an eagle winking. So let's be that eagle. Soar and fly. E as in eagle. I as in tie. The letters IE can suggest a man with a tie. So straighten your tie. I as in tie. O as in goat. If we use our imaginations, the letters OA can suggest the head of a goat ready to butt. So let's do that. O as in goat. Oo as in food. The letters OO can suggest two cookies on a plate. So take a look at those cookies. Let's try one. Ooh. Ow as in cow. The letters OW could look like the splotches on the side of a cow. Did you know that cows chew their food twice? What if they bit their tongue chewing so much? So let's be that cow, chew our food, and say ow. Ow. Oi as in toy. The letters OY can suggest a ball next to a doll. So let's be that doll and hold that ball next to your head. Oi as in toy. V as in bathe. The letters TH with a broken line underneath can suggest a baby bathing in the water, reaching for a bar of soap. So let's do that. Say V. J as in treasure. The letter ZH can suggest a treasure chest with the lid open, silver, gold, and jewels inside. So let's open that treasure chest. zh as in treasure. As in foot. The letters OU can suggest the side view of a foot. So stick your foot out and say as in foot.